Hey Wise Dollar community, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, how to build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is the cornerstone of financial security. It's your safety net when life throws unexpected expenses your way. So let's get started with some simple steps to build your emergency fund and ensure your financial peace of mind. First things first, why is an emergency fund so important? Well, an emergency fund acts as a financial buffer. It helps you cover unexpected expenses without derailing your financial goals. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or job loss, having that cushion can make all the difference. Take Jane, for example. Last year, her car broke down and the repair cost $1,500. Thanks to her emergency fund, she could cover the expense without using credit cards or taking out a loan. Or consider Mike, who faced unexpected medical bills. His emergency fund saved him from financial stress during an already tough time. Step 1 in building your emergency fund is assessing your financial situation. This means knowing where you stand with your income, expenses, and existing savings. Take a look at your bank statements and track your spending for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Start by listing all your sources of income. Next, make a list of your monthly expenses. Categorize them into essentials, like rent and utilities, and non-essentials, like dining out and entertainment. This exercise will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Step 2 is setting a realistic savings goal. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. To calculate this, total up your essential monthly expenses and multiply by 3 to 6. For instance, if your essential monthly expenses are $2,000, aim for an emergency fund between $6,000 and $12,000. But don't feel overwhelmed. Start with a smaller goal like saving $500 or $1,000 and build from there. Step 3 is creating a budget and sticking to it. A budget helps you manage your money effectively, ensuring you allocate funds towards building your emergency fund. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Here's a simple budgeting method, the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to non-essentials, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your financial goals and lifestyle. Step 4 is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This ensures a portion of your income goes directly into your emergency fund without you having to think about it. Log into your online banking account, go to the transfer section, and set up a recurring transfer. Choose an amount and frequency that fits your budget. Automating savings makes it easier to stay consistent and grow your emergency fund steadily. Step 5 is finding ways to cut expenses. Take a close look at your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook at home instead of dining out, and limit impulse purchases. Consider meal prepping for the week to save on groceries. Use cashback apps for shopping, and look for free or low-cost entertainment options. Every dollar you save can go towards your emergency fund. Step 6 is boosting your income with side hustles. Earning extra money can accelerate your savings goal. Look for freelance opportunities, offer services like pet sitting or dog walking, or sell and used items online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great for finding freelance gigs. If you enjoy pets, consider pet sitting or dog walking through apps like Rover. Selling items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace can also bring in extra cash. Find what works for you and start earning. Step 7 is saving windfalls and bonuses. Whenever you receive unexpected money, like a work bonus, tax refund, or gift, put it directly into your emergency fund. This can give your savings a significant boost. For example, if you receive a $1,000 tax refund, allocate it to your emergency fund. Windfalls are a great way to quickly increase your savings without impacting your daily budget. Step 8 is utilizing cashback and rewards programs. Use cashback apps and credit cards to earn money back on your purchases. This extra money can be added to your emergency fund. Apps like Rakuten and Honey offer cashback on online shopping. Choose credit cards that offer rewards on everyday purchases. Just be sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This way, you're making your money work for you. Step 9 is reviewing and adjusting regularly. Monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Life circumstances change, and your savings plan should be flexible to accommodate those changes. Set a reminder to review your finances monthly or quarterly. Look at your progress towards your savings goal and make any necessary adjustments to your budget or savings plan. This keeps you on track and motivated to reach your goal. Finally, step 10 is staying committed and patient. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but the peace of mind it brings is well worth the effort. Celebrate small milestones along the way to keep yourself motivated. Remember, every dollar saved brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Stay focused on the benefits of having an emergency fund. It's your financial safety net, providing security and peace of mind. Once you've built a solid emergency fund, consider advanced saving strategies to maximize your earnings. High-yield savings accounts, CDs, certificates of deposit, and low-risk investment accounts can offer better returns on your savings. High-yield savings accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Look for accounts with no fees and competitive rates. CDs are another safe option, providing a fixed interest rate for a specified term. However, withdrawing money before the term ends can result in penalties. Low-risk investment accounts, like those that invest in bonds, can also be a good option if you're comfortable with a bit more risk. Technology can be a great ally in your savings journey. There are numerous apps designed to help you save and manage your money more effectively. Let's explore some of the best ones. Apps like InAb, You Need a Budget, Mint, and Pocket Guard are fantastic for budgeting and tracking expenses. For automatic savings, try apps like Acorns, which rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference, or Capital, which lets you set customizable savings goals and rules. Let's go through a step-by-step guide on using one of these savings apps. For this example, we'll use Acorns. First, download the Acorns app and create an account. Link your bank account and set your roundup preferences. You can choose to round up every purchase to the nearest dollar and invest that change. Over time, these small amounts can grow into a significant sum. For example, Sarah used the steps we've discussed to build a $5,000 emergency fund in just 6 months. She automated her savings, cut unnecessary expenses, and picked up a side hustle. Now, she feels more secure knowing she has a financial safety net. Once you've built a solid emergency fund, consider advanced saving strategies to maximize your earnings. High-yield savings accounts, CDs, certificates of deposit, and low-risk investment accounts can offer better returns on your savings. High-yield savings accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Look for accounts with no fees and competitive rates. CDs are another safe option, providing a fixed interest rate for a specified term. However, withdrawing money before the term ends can result in penalties. Low-risk investment accounts, like those that invest in bonds, can also be a good option if you're comfortable with a bit more risk. Your mindset plays a crucial role in building an emergency fund. A positive attitude and determination can significantly impact your financial success. Believe in your ability to save and stay focused on your goals. Practice positive affirmations and visualize your financial goals. Surround yourself with supportive people and resources that encourage good financial habits. Remember, building an emergency fund is a journey, and every step forward is progress. Building an emergency fund can come with challenges. Let's address some common obstacles and how to overcome them. If you have a regular income, save a higher percentage during high-earning months. For unexpected expenses, try to replenish your emergency fund as soon as possible after using it. To stay motivated, set smaller milestones and reward yourself for achieving them. Let's talk about the long-term benefits of having an emergency fund. It's not just about covering unexpected expenses. It's about financial security and peace of mind. An emergency fund provides a safety net that allows you to take calculated risks, like switching careers or starting a business, without the fear of financial ruin. It also reduces stress and anxiety related to money, leading to a healthier and happier life. Building your emergency fund is just the first step. Maintaining it is equally important. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account. This helps prevent you from dipping into it for non-emergencies. Regularly review your emergency fund to ensure it meets your financial needs. As your income and expenses change, adjust your savings goal accordingly. Consider adding to your fund periodically, even after reaching your initial goal, to account for inflation and lifestyle changes. An emergency fund doesn't just improve your financial health, it can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Knowing you have a financial cushion can reduce stress and anxiety. Research has shown that financial stress is a significant contributor to anxiety and depression. Having an emergency fund can alleviate some of this stress, leading to better mental and emotional health. It's about creating a sense of security and peace of mind. We'd love to hear from you. Share your tips, success stories, and any questions you have about building an emergency fund in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wise Dollar for more personal finance tips and updates. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from building an emergency fund. To recap, building an emergency fund involves assessing your financial situation, setting realistic savings goals, creating and sticking to a budget, automating savings, cutting expenses, boosting income with side hustles, saving windfalls, using cashback and rewards programs, reviewing progress regularly, and staying committed and patient. Remember, every small step adds up. Start today and watch your savings grow. With determination and discipline, you can achieve financial security. Thanks for tuning in to Wise Dollar. Let's make those savings happen.